we needed to introduce software to help the business move forward. We went with Wine Suite by FHL. It's a big platform, and although it's industry specific, it's very much a big piece of software with a kind of add-on or a cover of wine specific plugin, if you like. And the migration onto that didn't really work very well, and we didn't get the support. We had a support team which didn't support us, and that setup process left us in a position where we couldn't rely on the data that we were being provided, and the system wasn't really working for what we needed. So we were paying for Wine Suite. We were also keeping manual ledgers. We had a different, even though it's an integrated software, we had a separate finance package. So in total we had 4 different pieces of software running because we couldn't trust the data from the software. And for a small business, it was a nightmare, and the staff didn't have faith in the software. Those scars still run deep, and our staff are still, wary of software. But moving to the hub has been a very seamless process, and confidence in the software and the data that it's provided is now allowing us to get rid of all the extra unnecessary pieces of software. The fact that the APIs talk to Xero, we've completely, not completely, but almost removed all of the manual entry points that we had previously, and the separate ledgers that we're having to create in the past. So for us, it's been completely transformative in terms of confidence and reliance on software, which previously Turville has been very much reliant on due diligence of its employees and the staff who are working every day. But now we're able to give more perspective on things through the software and rely on that to save time and give our employees a bit of a break from just manually enter data into 4 different pieces of software. So it's been great, and I think the migration process was fairly straightforward, particularly because we were talking to people who understood the industry, understood why we might be asking for certain things, and we could communicate with them and understand, right, we need to provide data in this format, and we knew what we were getting back was reliable in return. It's been a very straightforward process for us, which for a company which isn't that tech savvy, it's been great. And the most important thing for us when we were shopping around for different pieces of software is the people behind the software. We spoke to lots of different other providers, and initially we thought we would be going with someone else. When we first spoke to the team at the hub, it was the people behind it and the passion behind it which really made us reflect and want to work with the hub, because we knew there was that passion to make the software better, there was the passion for the wines, and that understanding of any questions we had, there was an understanding of why we were asking the questions, and a desire to improve the platform to solve any questions we had. So I would definitely say it's worth speaking to the people behind the software.